Alright, here we are. We're getting ready to leave Branson, but I thought I'd take a quick video showing you the front, the two captain's chairs, which will both turn around into the living area so that you can have more seating. Then you have that chair and its footstool, the love seat hide-a-bed, and needless to say, storage up above. Over here is the kitchen. Underneath that counter is a 3-burner stove. Over there is the sink. Underneath that counter is a double sink, along with the handle there that pulls out, and an extension on the side. Up above the stove and the counter is a convection microwave with counter for storage space. Counters above the sink also for storage. And then over here we have the 4-door refrigerator with water in the door and an ice maker. The entrance and exit door, of course we have to have that with the fire extinguisher. And then over there is the dining area with 2 chairs. That table does expand so that you can get 4 people around it. Television and fireplace over here. The fireplace works, puts out heat, or you can set it so it's just the fireplace. Pat is over now opening the pantry. You'll see that we've taken the wire racks out of the pantry. We've taken the wire racks out of the pantry and we've replaced them with 5 drawers of varying heights so that you could store different sized things in there. We have 2 furnaces, one below the refrigerator, one below the stove. The one below the stove blows into the front. The one below the refrigerator blows into the whole coach. Going on back, we have the lavatory and medicine cabinet right above it. Hello there, that's me. And over here beside that we have the shower, which is not too bad of a size shower. We can take showers in there without much of a problem. Works pretty good. Opening up this door, we go back into the back, which is the bedroom, with a washer dryer behind those doors, TV, and 2 storage closets, if you want to call them that, with drawers below the closets. Queen size bed, if I'm remembering correctly, along with a couple of little side tables by it, and storage above it. Then going back out, last but not least, we have the commode with some storage down below, little rack down there to store things on, the commode itself, and then above it more storage, along with an exhaust fan in the ceiling. A couple of towel racks on the door there, and that just about summarizes our trip through the motorhome. Control panels here on the wall. So that's about all. That was a quick tour. If you want to see more, just let me know. Thanks.